So you're driving along, you're having a good time, everything seems to be fine in the world, but then your car has other ideas about that. The check engine light comes on. What should you do? Is this something that you need to address immediately? Well, yes, it absolutely is, and I'm going to explain why in today's video for you guys. So driving with your check engine light on might seem like something relatively harmless. After all, your car's going along fine. You've not noticed any problems with it. What could be possibly wrong with it? Can it really be that serious? Well, yes, it absolutely can. Essentially, the reason why this check engine light has come on is because the vehicle system has detected that something is outside of its normal operating conditions. Some issues can cause immediate risk, such as increased emissions or stalling of your vehicle, while others quietly wear down the components over time. Delaying repairs can often turn a small problem into a larger one, and by understanding what triggers the light and what happens if it's ignored, you can get a better understanding of why you need to get it seen to ASAP. Common reasons for your check engine light coming on include a loose gas cap, faulty oxygen sensors, a spark plug problem, and also a mass airflow sensor failure, among many others. Now, there are some immediate risks when it comes to ignoring this issue, and these include the potential for permanent damage to your engine, reduced fuel efficiency, and also increased emissions. If something's not working correctly, like the spark plugs or something like that, it could really cause damage to your engine, and you might not even realize it for some time. Hence why that warning is there. It doesn't come up very lightly. It only comes up when there is a serious issue with your vehicle. Out of all the warning lights that can come up on your dashboard, the check engine light is absolutely up there with one of the most important. Long-term damage as well includes your catalytic converter being permanently damaged, increased repair costs over time, and the reliability of the vehicle also decreasing as well. So yeah, there you go, guys. Some pretty serious stuff at the end of the day, stuff that you don't want to ignore. And if you do ignore, you could really pay the price. If something is wrong with the sensor, like you may think is the case, then that's a relatively cheap thing to replace. That could cost you $50, something like that. But if it's something serious, like the catalytic converter being damaged because you ignored it, that can cost you thousands. So it's absolutely worth going to the garage as soon as possible to get it checked out, and for peace of mind, just to make sure it is all alright. Because once a check engine light comes on, it very rarely goes off unless you fix whatever problem is causing it. But yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Have a great time wherever in the world today, and we'll see you very soon for much more explainer videos on the world of cars just like this.